In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and upload a customer list into Zoho Books. This process is fundamental for anyone seeking to streamline their customer management. So let's get started. First, you'll need to sign into Zoho Books. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Once there, you'll find the sign in option prominently displayed. Click on this and you'll be presented with several login options. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google sign in method. Click on Google and a new window will pop up, prompting you to choose your Google account. Make your selection and give it a moment to load. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a bit, so just be patient while it connects you to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the Sales tab at the top of the page. Clicking on Sales will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, click on Customers. Now you're in the Customer Management section of Zoho Books. On the top right corner of this page, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your Settings menu. Click on these dots and you'll see several options appear. You're looking for Import Customers, so go ahead and click on that. On the next screen, you'll be guided to upload your customer file. Make sure that you've prepared your customer list file on your computer beforehand. Now click on Customers and then continue to proceed. You'll be prompted to select your file. Navigate to where your customer file is saved on your computer and upload it. Zoho Books supports several file formats, so ensure your file type is compatible. After uploading, hit Next and you'll be taken to a screen where you can map the fields from your file to Zoho's fields. This is a crucial step as it ensures that all customer details, such as names, email addresses and contact numbers, are correctly aligned. Carefully fix and connect any contact details that need attention. Once everything looks good, click on Next to move forward. The final step in the process requires a review of the information you've provided. Make sure all the details are correct. When you're satisfied, look for the Import button and give it a click. Zoho Books will begin processing your customer list, and within moments your new customers will be uploaded into your account. And that's it! You've successfully imported your customer list into Zoho Books. This simple yet effective process will help keep your business organized and your customer interactions smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.